kanina pa ba sila?
Opo, ma'am. Ano hininom niyo, ma'am?
Lot, I'm drinking my ginger for my beautiful voice. Ano ka ba? Opal Light. Okay, Jan, okay na ba? Ready na ba?
Malapit pa lang.
Oh my God. Kala ko kanina pa sila.
Yes.
Ano mo, Jan, buti pa na-late yun. Na-delay ang shoot ko. Oh my gosh, alika, let's start now with the Opal Light. Ano susunod, Opal Light?
Dancing through the lightning strike.
Opal Light. Dancing through the dancing light. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's... Guys, may dinner pa ako after this. Atong mga to, hanggang 4 a.m. to.
Yes.
This is for BDO. Pamas kong handa. All the perfect couples. All the perfect couples. Guys, I'm so tired. Kanina pa kami nag-work. I'm so hungry. I'm so payato. I did not eat lunch and I had no dinner. Only this ensaymada from mother. I did not eat anything. And tomorrow I'm early. I'm leaning in the wedding of Jenica and Jason. Hi, mga inaanaks. See you tomorrow.